In this video, I will talk about this Microsoft Visual C++ 2015. So guys, if you are facing any error or problem, so you can fix and resolve easily. Click on Start, search Control Panel, open Control Panel. Here guys, select Gallery View By, then click on Control Program. Here guys, you have to find out Microsoft Visual C++ 2015. Select it. Then here click on Change. On the option, Repair. So just click on it. If it last question, so click on Yes. Once you can restart your system. So this is a good way to fix and resolve Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 problem and errors. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.